Hey guys, Derek here, and in today's video, I am going to give you my review on GoProFunnels. When you click on the link below this video, it will bring you to this page. I am currently inside my review and bonus page of GoProFunnels. GoProFunnels is the first ever next generation funnel builder, which allows you to create high converting sales funnels, websites, and landing pages in any niche. So click on the link below this video right now. It will bring you to my review and bonus page, as you can see in this video. But before we go into the full details about GoProFunnels, I want to show you the bonuses I have prepared for you if you order GoPro through my affiliate link. For example, if you click on this link or this link and you go to the sales page and make your order, these are the bonuses you are going to receive. So let me show you the bonuses before we continue the full demo. So here are my bonuses. I have plenty bonuses for you. Just click on the link below this video, come over here and check out all the bonuses I have prepared for you. I have over 100 bonuses prepared for you. So just click on this link, come over here and check these bonuses out. Also, GoProFunnels comes with one-time offers. So with the one-time offers, if you also make an order, I have some bonuses prepared for you. So these are the bonuses you get when you make the order for GoProFunnels, the front end. And these are the bonuses you get when you make a one-time offer purchase of GoPro. So when you click on this link, you'll see this bonus page and you'll see all these bonuses. But these bonuses are exclusive to only people who buy one-time offers of GoPro. Now that you've seen what you stand to gain if you order GoPro funnels through my affiliate link, click on the link below this video, come over here, go through the whole review. Just click on order now here or any of the affiliate links over here, make your order, and automatically you'll see your bonus link inside your purchase area. And if for one reason or the other you are not able to access the bonus link, just send me an email here and I'll do well to respond to you. Now let's start the full GoPro review proper. So this is the overview of GoPro funnels. We have the creator here, Sandy Nayak, and this is the name. The date is launching and the launch time. And during the launch is being sold for $17. Do I give bonuses? Yes, like I've already shown you. And you can also click here to visit the official website of GoProFunnels. What's GoPro all about? We have it here. It's a next generation funnel builder that allows you to create highly converting sales funnels, websites, landing pages in any niche at an unbeatable one-time price without any restrictions, with no monthly fee. So you only pay one-time price for GoProFunnels. And here are some of the things you can do with GoPro. GoProFunnels has everything that any other super expensive platform have, but without any recurring fee. So come over here, check out my full review, read the whole article for yourself. Why should you buy GoPro, if you may ask? It's 100% cloud-based, no downloads or installation required. It's fully responsive and mobile friendly. and it creates fast loading websites for you. You don't need any domain or hosting. GoProFunnels is hosting all your landing pages in the cloud for you. It's an all-in-one solution for your funnel building needs. So if you are a funnel builder, check out GoPro and design all your landing pages with GoPro. Let's see some of the features and benefits of GoPro here. We have some amazing features and benefits here. Click on the link below this video, come over here and check out the full review as I am doing here. We also have the demo video here, but before we play the demo video, let me show you the pricing. So for the front end, we have $17 for GoPro. We have the OTO1, that's GoProFunnels Pro version. You can also get it at this price. We also have GoPro Funnels done for you. You also get it at this price. And GoPro Agency, this is the price. So here are the various funnels or prices for the various products you can get when you order GoPro today. I've already showed you the bonuses, so I'm not going to go over it. So now let's see the demo of how GoPro works and if it's beneficial to your business. Don't forget, make your order through my affiliate link to grab all the bonuses I have shown you. Just click on this play button to view the demo, but I will just open this new window and let's watch the demo of GoProFunnels.
Under the dashboard, we have the done for you offers. So these are offers from JVZoo and Warrior Plus and ClickBank that we can just contact the vendors and get our email, our affiliate links, and get started immediately. They are highly converting offers. So let's check the JVZoo offers. We have a lot of products here that we can just contact
The
the
full
vendor
demo
and get
video
started
of
immediately.
GoPro
We have a
is
lot of them.
14 minutes
You can just contact
54
the vendor
seconds.
by clicking these
I don't
buttons. We
think
also have the
we
Warrior
can
Plus
watch
offers.
the whole video right now. So what I will
We have the Warrior
suggest
Plus
is
offers. We also have
click on the
ClickBank
link below
offers.
this video, come over to my
And after that, we have
GoPro
the
Funnels
forward buyers.
reviews and
So we have
bonus
the vendors
page.
for quizzes, and we have the
Check out the demo, just hit
pages
the play
page we have.
button,
Let's check
watch the
out and
demo to
see
the end,
what we can make with it.
and once you've
So we have
seen
some done for
the
you
key
quizzes that we can
features and
just get started
benefits,
with. And we
once
can
you've
start
seen
from
why
scratch
you
by
should
clicking
even
this
buy GoPro,
and by clicking
and you
this
believe
icon.
GoPro
Let me just
Funnels
click
is
okay, let
important
me
in
click
your
the
internet
customer service.
marketing business, just go ahead, click on any of these buttons or my affiliate
So
link on this
we have
page,
everything
make your
done
order,
for us. This is the
and all
intro
the
page.
bonuses I have shown
And if you
you,
like
the
to be
front end
a member,
bonuses,
this is the
and
customer
also
service
the
is
one-time
to get
offer
whatever from
bonuses
your
that I have
customers.
prepared for
So
you.
everything is set for us. We can edit,
Automatically you'll
button,
receive all
the
these
style as we
bonuses
like. We can just
once you
change the
make your
color
order for
to
GoPro.
something, anything we like,
Once you are ready to buy
and get
GoPro,
started with it. So
scroll down here
we just click next.
and click
Everything
on
is being
buy
set.
now.
Everything has
It
been
will
set.
take
We
you
have
to the official
the first
website
question
or the
here.
sales page of
We have the second
GoPro
question.
Funnels. Make your order and receive
So this we can
all
just edit
the
the questions
bonuses
as
I
we
have
like.
prepared for you.
For now, I'm going to leave
I
everything
hope
as it
you've
is. Let me
enjoyed
get
this
started.
video. Smash
And
the
this is the
like
quiz
button.
funnel. So
And
now
if
we can
there's
just
any
move
question
everything
regarding
around.
GoPro
So
Funnels,
if the person
please
prefers,
leave them
the
in the
person
comment box
if another
below.
person
I
is a
do
male,
well
if the person is
to
a male, we can
respond to
just say
all comments
go
on
to the
this
next
channel.
question. So the next question is going
Until
to
I
be
come your way with
is
another product
if the
review,
question if the answer
is take
is
care
no,
of
the next
yourself
question is going
and
to be
enjoy the holidays. Bye.
question 3.